Hello everyone, my name is Tim with Dan's Electronics. Today I have our Anderic Polk soundbar system replacement remote control. It is the RR69151. Now this is a 100% direct replacement for the original Polk soundbar system remote controls. It does come pre-programmed. It also offers a 1-year replacement warranty. Now this remote replaces the RE69151, the RE81141, the RE81121, and the OMNI SB1. These are all Polk soundbar system remote controls. If you would like to make an order for this remote control, give us a call toll free at 1-855-553-6683 and our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or as always, log on to danselectronics.com and you can make the order there.